Hello, dear students. Now, today we will discuss the main points of the story The Making of Scientist. You see here, these are the main points of the lesson The Making of Scientist. At the age of 22, Richard H. Everett excited the world of science with a new theory on cells. Next point is Richard's scientific career started with butterflies. Next is Everett collected butterflies when he was in kindergarten. Next is his mother encouraged his interest in learning. Next is she took him on trips and bought telescopes, microscopes, cameras, and other equipments. Next is his father died very young and his mother became his only companion and motivator. Next is by the time Richard Everett was in the second grade, he had collected 25 species of butterflies found around his hometown. Next is his mother gifted him children's book called The Travels of Monarch Tenth. Next point is the book described how monarch butterflies migrated to Central America and opened the world of science for Richard Everett. Next point is he sent tag butterflies to Dr. Hart, the writer of the book. Next point is Everett raised a flock of butterflies in his basement and would tag the butterflies' wings to send them to Dr. Hart. Next point is in the seventh grade, he entered the county science fair and lost. Next is he wrote to Dr. Hart for new ideas and received many suggestions for experiments. Next is the next year his science fair project was to test the theory that Viceroy butterflies copy monarch butterflies. Next is the project was placed first in the zoology division and third overall in the county science fair. Next is in his second year in high school, Richard Everett discovered an unknown insect hormone. Next is he and his friend so that tiny gold spots on butterflies produce a hormone that was necessary for the butterflies' full development. Next is the project won a bright first place in the county fair and an entry into the International Science and Engineering Fair. Now, next point is he grew cells from a monarch butterfly's wing in a culture. Next is Albright was able to identify the hormone's chemical structure. Next is he showed how the cell can read the blueprint of its DNA. Next is the blueprint for life. Next is Richard Everett graduated from Harvard with highest honors, second in his class of 1516. Next is Everett had time for other interests too. He was a champion debater, a good canoeist, and an expert photographer. Next is Richard Everett had great admiration for his social studies teacher, Richard A. Ware, who opened his mind to new ideas. Next is Richard Ebright was competitive but not in a bad sense. He wanted to be the best. Last point is the travels of Monarch X opened the world of science to him and he never lost his scientific curiosity after that. So these are the main points of the lesson, the making of scientist. Now we will discuss the character sketch of this lesson. First is Richard H. Ebright. Now these are the important five important points of the character sketch. So first, Richard H. Ebright. First point is a multi-faceted genius, a great scientist, debater, canoeist, etc. Next is collected butterflies since childhood. Next is worked on monarch butterflies, the cell and its DNA. Next is inspired by his mother, Dr. Urquhart, and his teacher, R.A. Warrer. Next character sketch is Richard H. Ebright's mother. Now, important points for this. Encouraged and inspired Ebright's interest in learning. Bought him instruments, cameras, his only companion. Next is got him the book The Travels of Monarch X that changed Richard Ebright's life. Next character is Dr. Urquhart, and points for this famous for work on monarch butterflies. Next is taught at University of Toronto, Canada. Next is helped Ebright with new ideas and suggestions. Next character sketch is Richard A. Warrer. Points for this social studies teacher of Ebright, respected and admired by Ebright, turned Ebright's energy towards the debating and model United Nations clubs. So these are the character sketch of this lesson.